This tutorial will show you how to add a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or PDF document to your website. There are two steps to creating a link to a document on your website. The first step is we must put the document into the Ektron work area. And you do that by going to the work area underneath your school or office folder and clicking on the title of the folder where you want to store your document. Once you've clicked on the title of the folder where you want to store your document, you go to the new icon and go down to DMS document, which means Document Management System document, and click on that. Now we type a title of the document. This title becomes the name of the link and or the name of the link on a menu. You're going to choose a file, and I'll just choose something that's here and click OK. Once you've chosen that file, you're going to click Open on the dialog box there, and you should see the name of the file right here. You can also schedule it to start and end on certain days by clicking on the Schedule tab. Once you've done that, you click either Check In to check it in without publishing it, or Publish, which I'll click Publish right now. That's the first step. So you want to add all your documents into your work area folder and then go to the page where you want to add these documents. So now I'll go to the page. I'm going to choose one of these pages that I have already created, which is this website information one. I'm going to edit the page where I want to put this link. I'll put my cursor wherever I want the link to appear. And this is just like adding a quick link that's highlighted in one of our other tutorials. We're going to click on the library icon, change the images to drop down to quick links. Make sure you're in the correct folder where your documents are stored, and mine is right here in the same folder, so it's easier. I'm just going to click on the title of the document I had just uploaded to the work area, and that inserts a link to the document, and then I click Publish, and now I have a link to the document I just put in to the Ektron system. The other thing you can do is you can add this document to a menu, and this is also covered in the menu tutorial, but I'll show it to you here also. So you'll find your menu, which is in the top level of your folder, and you go to View, Menu, and you should have one menu that probably for a school might say PB _ school name, otherwise it might say Home. I click on that, and to add the document to my menu, I'm just going to click on Add Items. It is a content item. All items stored in the work area are called content items. I click Next. I find the item, which is right here, called My Document. I put a check mark next to it, and I click Add. And there it has been added to my menu. If I want to reorder the menu, to change the location of this document, I click the double arrows. Then I click the title of the item I want to move around, and then I use the single arrows up and down to move this document up and down the menu. And then I click Update. Remember that any updates and uploads you do will publish live to the public on every hour on the half hour, so at 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, etc. And that's all there is to it.